For Debian-based distributions, install the libimage-exiftool-perl package using apt. For Red Hat distros, use dnf to install the perl-Image-ExifTool package. For Arch distros like Manjaro, you'll install the perl-Image-ExifTool package with pacman. Here's a nice picture I took. Innocent enough, right? Well, now that we've got ExifTool in our arsenal, let's take a look what metadata it's stowing.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think.
Compared to what could be recorded by other smartphones, this is pretty tame. You'll notice that I didn't have GPS enabled on my phone when snapping this photo since it was not recorded in the EXIF metadata. Even so, there's still other info I'd rather not share with just anyone, so let's just strip it all from the image. Remove all EXIF metadata using this command. The command we execute will create a backup of the original, appending _original to the end of the file name. If you don't want this behavior, you can use this command. Let's ensure we've gotten rid of everything. We'll use the same command to re-examine the file. Much better. There's not much here now, besides what's mandatory as per the EXIF spec.
Why?